Disclaimer: the activities shown in this video are performed by professionals or individuals with significant experience. Attempting these activities without proper training, equipment, and safety measures can result in serious injury. Always prioritize safety, use appropriate protective gear, and consult with a professional if you are unsure about any procedures. The creator of this video is not responsible for any injuries or damages incurred while attempting to replicate the activities shown. Proceed at your own risk.
2018 Genesis G80. Oil type 5W30. Coolant, pressure board. Windshield fluid, pressure board. Oil dipstick. Brake fluid reservoir. Oil filter housing over here. Oil trim plug. $17mm. This oil filter is going to be 27mm. Millimeter, whatever you want to call it. This is a 3/8. Let's go back. This one to go back. There you go. There you go. .3 regular, 5W30, 7.3 quarts of 5W30 regular. It's up to you if you want to put synthetic. All right, guys, show you how to reset the oil life in this baby. Okay, you start the car is running right now. You see it like this. You're gonna press this guy, okay, pulse, and press it until it take you to the gear. Right there, you're gonna scroll down with this, like that, okay, and scroll down until you go to service interval. Then press the same scroll button, press it like that. It's gonna take you there, and scroll down to reset. Press the button, reset time and distance, yes, press the button, and that's it. All right, that's how you reset the oil life in this baby. Any questions, put in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Highlight your boy, love you all. Shout outs to the subscribers. Let's get it.